friends, and welcome back to Flavors on My List of Home. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe of white chicken pulao. To make this, I've taken around a kilo of chicken, to which I've added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, roasted cumin and coriander powder, which is 2 teaspoons. I'm going to be marinating this chicken overnight in the refrigerator. But you can really marinate it for 2 hours, at least 2 hours. Now I've added in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Red chili powder and salt can always be adjusted as per your taste. Now I'm squeezing in juice of one lime. This is lime. It can be lime or lemon or any, even lemon syrup that you have. The lemon extract, even that works well. So here I've taken lemon and I'm just going to be adding that and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, which is 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste. 1 cup of yogurt. This is Greek style yogurt, and mustard oil, which is around 1 tablespoon. It can be any oil of your choice. I'm just gonna mix it, and I'm gonna marinate this in the fridge for overnight. I'm gonna leave it overnight, and this is the next day, the following day. I have taken 1 lemon and just sliced it. These are 3 sliced onions. I've taken a bunch of mint and coriander leaves, which I have chopped like this and to be used in cooking. And 3 cups of rice, which has been soaking for 15 minutes. Quarter cup of oil. Now in a saucepan, I'm going to be adding in the oil. This is the quarter cup of oil which I showed you earlier. And this is a quarter cup of ghee. I'm going to be adding this. Now you can really make the whole thing in just ghee, but I've taken a mixture of oil and ghee. Uh, it's not necessary to go this way. You can take a half a cup of completely either oil, or you can take a half cup of ghee, or you can mix and match like how I have done, quarter cup of oil or quarter cup of ghee. To this, I'm adding in my onions, and I'm going to be sauteing this until it is translucent and almost turning golden. It's when it just begins to turn golden. I'm going to be frying my onions until that stage. And to quicken the process of cooking my onions, I've added in the teaspoon of salt, which will help the onions release its water and cook it faster. Now this is my chicken, the marinated chicken, which I've kept out like around 10 minutes before I started cooking. And this is my onions, it's about done. This is exactly how I want my onions to be at this point. You see, it's not completely golden, it's just turning golden, but it is completely translucent. At this point, I'm going to add in my chicken to this. Now, I must also tell you that I have my Instagram page to follow me there, my Facebook page also. All the links are in the description. And for a detailed recipe, you can check out my website, which is mydisappoint.com. Now I have added in the lemon slices with this, and I'm going to let this cook on a really high flame. It's very important for you to keep the flames really high at this point so that the chicken gets sealed from within. That is to say, it retains the moisture that it has without giving out all the moisture to the gravy and becoming hard and uh, rubber-like texture. So when the chicken retains its water, it retains its taste and it remains moist. So that's really important. The first 5 minutes of high cooking with covered it makes all the difference to your chicken. You try it if you have a complaint that your chicken ends up being really dry. So do try this method. Now 5 minutes of cooking covered, I have opened the flame to let out all the water, to dry out all the water that the chicken let out. So you see, the chicken has a lot of water, although I did not add any water to this. So I'm going to let the let this cook for around 10 minutes with open lid. Now see, after 10 minutes of cooking, um, that is 5 minutes covered and 10 minutes of uncovered. That makes a total 15 minutes. And about this time, it would be around 80% cooked. The chicken would be 80% cooked before I added rice. And I'm going to add in the rice, the greens, and I'm going to mix this around a bit. Be careful of your mixing. You should not over mix so that the rice breaks. Just a little bit. And adding in the water. The water and the rice ratio is 2:1. So this is 6 cups of water to 3 cups of rice. This is I'm just mixing around and making sure that it's all combined. At this point, you might want to adjust your salt, and I'm going to let this cook. Cover this and let this cook. It'll take around 15 minutes at least to cook this on a medium high flame. Now, I taken one onion which I've sliced, and I'm frying it here to add my fried onions on top. Some people like to do it before they start frying the chicken, but I have skipped that step and I'm frying it here. It is how my rice is cooking and medium high flame. And while my rice is cooking there, my onions are done. These fried onions add a crunch to your rice, and it makes your rice. Two things happens here. It makes your rice look good, and makes your rice taste good. Now, depending, it's all this is a really good step. It's a very nice step to do. I hope you will try this recipe, and I hope you will comment how you made it and how you like. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.